Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a you and yours reading for you. Capricorn, you and yours is a reading for you and the person who's affecting your energy the most right now. This could be anyone, Capricorn, could be a lover, could be a spouse, parent, child, neighbor, boss. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Capricorn, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cappies, if you're new here, we welcome you also. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So for me, Capricorn, this is person A for me, and I'll open cards for person B. If this is your story, you'll know exactly which side you're on, right? And in the center, we'll have your dialogue message cards and your action cards. And if you're looking for a private reading, Capricorn, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So bottom of my spread, I do see the star card. So somebody is wishing and hoping for something. I don't know what that is till I don't go through all the cards. Let's put this beautiful card here. Let's start your reading. And let me just look at the cards. So for person A, I have the King of Wands, the Three of Pentacles, the Magician, the Ten of Swords, Three of Cups, and the Death card. And for person B, they have the Knight of Swords, Six of Cups, Two of Pentacles, the World, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Seven of Cups. Alright, Capricorn, from my first look to the spread, I feel there is one person who somebody was selfish here. Somebody was acting really selfish and self-centered here, Capricorn, and because of that kind of behavior, things became a little rocky between the two of you. From what I see, there could have been some nasty words spoken, maybe some immature words or a small fight or something. But you both do have a connection. There is a friendship here. There is a kind of nostalgia where this connection is concerned. There is the Six of Cups here. This is like a soulmate connection. You feel really kind of in tune with each other as well. So let's start with some dialogue message cards, Capricorn. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, and then we start clarifying the cards and also see what action you guys will take now regarding this connection. So Capricorn and their person spirit. Capricorn and their person, if they could say something to each other now. Capricorn and their person. Thank you. And let's take a few from here, Capricorn. True confessions. Alright, good to go. Let's begin our reading. First card here, Capricorn, says, I'm sorry for the mind games I played. I know it was wrong. Didn't I just say that, Capricorn? Somebody was a bit self-centered or a bit selfish or something here. Maybe they came across immature and hurt their partner. So now they're realizing, hey, I know I'm the cause. I'm sorry for the mind games I played. Maybe they were being a trickster here. Magician in reverse, right? Which kind of put an end to this connection or made their person feel this is over. So they're apologizing for that. I'm sorry for the mind games I played. I know it was not wrong. Alright, second card says, I daydream about being the mother/father to your children. See, I told you there is some kind of a special bond here. Maybe this does feel like a soulmate connection. Even after all this that's happened, there's still feelings here. I've been hurt so badly, I don't know if I can really love again. So I think this is person A again who plays all these silly tricks because maybe they don't know how to show love, maybe or they don't want to. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. I think it became very one-sided, where person A wasn't showing love, person B always had sweet feelings for person A, and now this is, I think, person B saying, I loved you more than I loved myself, till I realized I don't love myself, because you're giving me nothing back. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. Yes, I did see that. I did see somebody wishing and hoping and looking at the stars and maybe wishing for a reunion here. You changed up, and that triggers me. Maybe they got used to that, that I'll just keep taking, I'll be a trickster, I will be only focused on myself, and my person will keep giving me till person B realized, hey, this is becoming a bit imbalanced here. What about me? When am I going to love myself? And when are you going to love me back in return? So this change has triggered person A. How can you love me after I effed everything up with our connection? They know what they've done. They know their trickster ways. They know that they've kind of really hurt their partner to the extent that they've put in 10 swords in their back now. And now they're kind of worried that how can you still love me after I effed everything up? You made me realize I had flaws and I'm trying to do better now. Alright, so this is resonating with your story, Capricorn. Let's start clarifying these cards. I'm going to start with the energies of person A. Let's see how they are doing, and then we'll move on to the other side. For me, this is person A, this is person B. This could be you or that could be you. You would know, right? So King of Wands in reverse, Spirit. King of Wands in reverse and the Three of Pentacles in reverse. King of Wands in reverse and the Three of Pentacles in reverse. One more. I think this King of Wands was, yes, a bit self-centered. They didn't give too much to this connection. Even if they did, it was like really tiny. Because of this kind of behavior, I think the partner kind of lost trust with them. They realized that, hey, if you're not going to give to me, then I'm not going to give to you. And I think it came to a point that you both realized, or maybe one person did, that it's not going to work. People stopped fighting for this connection. So then what was this Wheel of Fortune, Spirit? Oh, I think this King of Wands was hoping things would continue the way they've always continued. That I won't have to put in any work. And yeah, things should just go smoothly till I think their partner woke up or got upset with them. Person A was being a little emotionally manipulative. They did have love in their heart, from what I feel. They did have love, but they were trying to play mind games all the time, not showing their true feelings and hoping that they could string person B along for the ride. But I think person B is now kind of lost trust with them. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for this to have happened? The Magician in reverse. Somebody was trying to play the trickster here. And that's what ended this connection, from what I feel. Yes, they were always trying to keep person B in a confused state of mind. Maybe telling them, hey, I have a lot of options. Or options doesn't have to only be in romantic partners. Maybe they were always like, I have lots of work and I have to do this and I have to travel and I have my family. Always kind of keeping person B confused. This was basically a trick to, keep getting from, maybe getting person B to chase them. How else, Spirit? Yes, this person never really spoke the truth. They never spoke the truth. Maybe they were very unemotional, maybe giving breadcrumbs or being very harsh in their communication. And because of this kind of behavior, this relationship came to a kind of a halt here. Ten of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Yeah, see how much they held back? They were always holding back. They were giving to person B. always being tight and controlled and self-centered and selfish. And that's the reason now this relationship has kind of stagnated here. So how do they feel now, Spirit, about this connection? What do they want now with person B? 3 of Cups. They want to come. They want a reunion now. Now they've realized that my partner is now not giving me that much attention. Now this person has been feeling bored and neglected. They want to come out of that now. They want a transformation in this connection after they've only killed it, I think, in the first place. Yes, they want to come back and take back control, take back power. They're getting frustrated and angry from what I feel. See, this person likes to be a bit in control. They do know that person B is their soulmate, right? They do know this is their person. Person A knows person B is their soulmate. Person B knows their soulmate. But the reason they create all this conflict, I feel, is because they don't want to offer commitment, right? So what's this transformation now, Spirit? What's this Death card? How do they feel about the connection now? They're not sure. They're not sure what to say now. They know already. They know now that they've created some bad memories to do with this connection now. They're not sure whether they'll be granted, a fresh new beginning in this connection. They're kind of worried. They're kind of worried now that this is over. Okay? So whether they'll take any action, we'll check in a little bit. Let's go on to person B and see how they're doing. Person B has the Knight of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Knight of Swords in reverse? Yes, they feel this connection has gone a totally wrong direction. Maybe there's been a bit of a fight, or they feel, oops, this is anger. Because they're angry because they feel the partner never even came and apologized to them after the way they've behaved with them. So 6 of Cups. 6 of Cups. What's the 6 of Cups? But there are feelings here. Somebody is wishing and hoping that, my wishes will come true one day. My knight in shining armor will return, will, come with that romantic offer. Or maybe person B is now wishing for new love. I don't know. We'll see as the reading progresses. So what happened in the recent past, Spirit, for person B to be feeling this way? 2 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, somebody dropped this connection totally. It said, I'm not going to be juggled around by a selfish, self-centered person. I'm not going to go just be in limbo for the rest of my life dealing with a person who is only thinking about themselves all the time. And because of that, I think person B kind of shut the chapter down on person A. World card, Spirit. World card. What's this World card? They feel their partner always lies to them and never brings them any clarity, and I'm not going to wait around any longer. I'm shutting this chapter. They always make me look like a fool in this connection. I don't want to have any new beginnings with person A anymore. So how do they feel now? How do they feel now about person A or the connection? 9 of Pentacles in reverse. I think there's a bit of waiting going on. I could be wrong, but they feel this is just like a temporary delay. They know that, either they are not moving towards, and the 7 of Cups. 7 of Cups. Yes, person B is not happy. They're not happy with the way things have progressed. They're still in a state of confusion, still feeling kind of lost, or feel they didn't win, they didn't have victory in this connection. They feel nobody's come towards them, or nor do they want to go. So there's a bit of stagnancy going on. There's a bit of delay in any action being taken. Things are very, very stagnant at the moment. So let's see what action can we expect now, Spirit. Let's see person A. Nine of Cups. Why is that an action spirit that person A will take? One more. I think the person A is feeling, they are realizing what they've done. They're feeling really, they're going through the dark night of the soul at the moment. Now they've now realized who really makes them really, really happy. And now they're kind of missing their Queen of Cups, who has dropped them, and is has put a lid on that cup of love of hers and saying, I'm not going to give to the connection anymore, I'm dropping you. This person is now realizing that person B is the one who made them completely happy, and now they're going through this very, very hard time. Let's see what action person B is going to be taking then. Two of Cups. See? Why is that an action spirit? Two of Cups. Two of Cups for Capricorn. Two of Cups. Oops. Yes, Capricorn, person B, I don't know which side you're on, person B does still have that love. I felt it from word go when I started the reading. There is love on both sides. Person B is also feeling that, I do love that person. This is my soulmate. But right now, because person A has broken their heart so badly right now, I don't think person B is putting in any more work into this connection. I don't think they're going to be doing anything. So I think there's a bit of stalemate going here. I think both of you have to heal individually. This is also a card of healing, right? There's no communication. Take your individual time, heal, think. This person A is going through their dark night of the soul. This would be the wrong time to approach them anyway, right? Let them understand what truly makes them happy and why their partner has kind of dropped them. What did they do wrong? So that's all I have for you, Capricorn. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.